Hello everybody, this is Josh Goknauer from G9 Technologies. Today I would like to go over how you would connect an MPU6050 accelerometer to a Raspberry Pi using the G9 Workbench. After connecting, we'll display the output on a nice strip chart so that you can see your X, Y, and Z accelerations. Today, all I will be using is a Raspberry Pi Model 3B, as well as an MPU6050 XYZ accelerometer gyroscope seen here. This one was purchased off of SunFounder, and then I will be using the G9 Workbench software to help me visualize this data. So the first steps are going to be connecting up this accelerometer. So this accelerometer currently has 4 outputs. You've got your voltage in and your ground, and then you've got your SCL and your SDA cables. That's what we're going to be using. These two will be used to hook up to the Raspberry Pi. So the first thing, you want to plug your voltage in and then your ground, and this is 3 volts, and then connect it to the ground on the Raspberry Pi. And then the next 2 wires are your SCL and your SDA. So your SDA is going to go directly into your SDA pin, and then your SCL goes directly into your SCL pin. Alright, so now we have our accelerometer wired up. We're going to want to go back over here and go into the G9 Visual Workbench. Now I've already got my Raspberry Pi hooked up, but if you would want to, you just can add a new server, select it there. So first thing we're going to want to do is come down here and open up your Sensors tab and drag your MPU6050 over. Open it, and then check to make sure your accelerations are reading. Right now we have accelerations and gyro readings. So you've got your MPU6050 hooked up. If you want to visualize it, you can come down here and drag yourself out a strip chart. Take this tab here and drag it down to the bottom of the screen so you can view it. You can change your title to Excel. Then you can change your labels. I won't do that here. One thing you can do is you can drag this output field to your Raspberry Pi, the strip chart. There we go. It started reading. What I want to do now is change my buffer size so that it's not updating every 100 points to every 1 point. This is going to be a much more fluid line. You can see the acceleration is changing. Now if you want to view all X, Y, and Z, you drag multiple from the same output field on the MPU6050 and connect that all up to the strip chart. And then with the strip chart selected, edit that node. So down here you've got your charts, and the data index is what we're going to want to look at. So for your Y acceleration, your data index is going to be switched to 1. And then for your Z, your data index will be switched to 2. Hit enter. And now you've got your X, Y, and Z reading. If I move this accelerometer around a little bit, you can see it's following the motion. And now your accelerometer is hooked up and you're displaying your accelerations. Thank you.